Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Clarifying a lesson.
Mr. Johnson, I'm a bit confused about the quadratic equations we covered today.
No problem, Sarah. I'm here to help. What specifically are you having trouble with?
Well, I don't quite understand how to factorize them, especially when the coefficient isn't 1.
Ah, I see. Let's go over a couple of examples together. Have you tried using the quadratic formula as well?
Not much. It seemed a bit overwhelming.
No worries. We'll break it down step by step. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at it. Sound good?
Thanks, Mr. Johnson. I appreciate your help.
Scenario 2. Discussing grades.
Emily, I noticed a drop in your recent essay grade. Is everything okay?
I'm not sure, Mrs. Davis. I thought I followed the guidelines, but I guess I missed something.
Let's take a look at your essay together. Can you walk me through your thought process while writing?
Well, I focused on the main theme, but maybe I didn't provide enough supporting evidence.
Good observation. Remember, details and examples are crucial. Let's work on strengthening your arguments for the next assignment. Sound good?
Yes, Mrs. Davis. I'll make sure to put in more effort.
Scenario 3. Planning for a project.
Ms. Rodriguez, our group is having trouble deciding on a topic for the history project.
That's common, Jake. What ideas are you considering?
Some want to do the civil rights movement, others are suggesting the Industrial Revolution.
Both are great choices. Have you thought about how each topic allows for in-depth exploration and analysis?
Not really, but that's a good point.
Consider the significance, impact, and historical context of each event. Discuss it with your group and choose the one that resonates with everyone.
Thanks, Ms. Rodriguez. We'll do that.
Scenario 4. Seeking advice on study techniques.
Mrs. Turner, I've been struggling to remember all the terms for the biology exam.
I understand, Alex. It can be challenging. What study techniques have you been using?
Flashcards and rereading the textbook, but it doesn't seem to stick.
Maybe try creating concept maps or teaching the material to someone else. It helps reinforce your understanding.
That sounds interesting. I'll give it a shot. Thanks, Mrs. Turner.
Scenario 5. Late assignment discussion.
Mr. Anderson, I'm sorry the assignment is late. I had a family emergency over the weekend.
I'm sorry to hear that, Kevin. Family comes first. Just make sure to communicate these situations sooner if possible.
I understand. Is there any chance I could still submit the assignment for partial credit?
Given the circumstances, I'll allow it this time. Make sure to catch up on the material and let me know if you need any help.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. I appreciate your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.